Hi there! We're excited that you've decided to join us in July and move more daily and track your minutes of movement using Strava and within our CSU East Bay Recreation and Wellness Services Club. The first thing you want to do to create your Strava account is navigate to the strava.com website. You can create your account using Facebook, Google, Apple, or you can use your email address to go ahead and sign up. Once you've created your account on the sign up page and you go ahead and click sign up, like most subscription services on the web, you will receive a confirmation email to your email address. So you'll want to go ahead and look for that, click on it, and confirm your email. Once you've done that, Strava will also send you a welcome email in which they will encourage you to go ahead and download their app and start recording your minutes of movement if you want to use your GPS on your phone or any kind of tracking device. Now, one of the things to be mindful of is that Strava offers a lot of features on its platform, and you can use as many or as little of those features as you want. You can use what works for you. So once you've created your account, you can go ahead and log in. And when you log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. And here's where you can see that if you'd rather just add your entries and your activity manually, you can do that. So again, if you don't have a device that you want to sync or you would personally just prefer to add your activities manually, you can go ahead and do that. And we will explore how to add your activities manually, as well as how to navigate to and request to join our club in another video. But for right now, we'll go ahead and thank you for joining us and congratulate you on signing up. You're on your way to tracking your minutes of movement.